is, in India, we don't have a trend. I would like to call it a trend, actually. So we don't have a trend to go to a dietitian and follow what a dietitian is saying. What we believe is we have to cook, we have to eat a healthy homemade meal. So if I ask you, you being a clinical nutritionist, how can we change that trend, and how can a nutritionist or a dietitian help a person?
So yeah, whatever your question is, it's like quite important to all of us here. So what happens here is like, when the dietitian, this term called dietitian comes in somebody's head, all they think is it's about a weight loss, or either you have to put on
Mhm.
weight, either you have to decrease your weight or something just like this.
Yeah.
But there is something which is something more than this. And there are some specific diseases, like if you have, suppose if you have a gastritis, there are specific
Hmm.
foods. If you are a diabetic, you cannot eat all the foods which are available for you. Right. There are specific
Hmm.
restrictions to be followed,
Yeah.
and there are specific, food
Mhm.
specifically to take and considered and all these things. But all these things will come to your picture only when you are been suffering with it. Till then, nobody comes
Yeah.
to a dietitian in India, and that's like a quite common thing happening. And I guess thanks to pandemic again, after this, I think a lot of people have been concentrating on lifestyle changes just because there was no medication. If
Yeah.
there was a medication again, obviously they wouldn't have been cared about it. But at least, yeah, thanks for this, because people are, considering about the multivitamins or just normal exercising and stuff, just normal calorie requirement, and all these things are just coming into
Mhm.
picture since just a very few days. But yeah, I
Mhm.
think in the coming years, at least, this should have been in a much better place.